This week we are going to see about dictionaries. This is just another data structure like list. So just like list, dictionary also is used to store many values together. But we already have list to save a lot of values, correct? Then why do we need dictionary? Let me explain dictionary by comparing it with list. Then it will be very easy to understand why we need it. Let us say we are collecting the mathematics marks of all the students in a class in a list. So we make a list like this. Max underscore marks equal to 34, 41, 39, 50, 45, 88, 45. When we print it, we can get all the marks. But when you look at this list, will you be able to know which student got the first value 34 in the list, or which student got the third value which is 39 in the list? No, we cannot. For some data, it is very important to have more information about the data. For example, our roll number in school. We cannot create a list only with roll numbers. So imagine we have a list roll underscore numbers is equal to within square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the list looks like this, we won't know which student has which roll number. So we would like to have the roll number and the name of the student, correct? So instead of having this list roll numbers, it is better to have the information in this format, correct? Which is 1 and it belongs to Anish, 2 belongs to Arshita, 3 belongs to Kalki, and 4 belongs to me. So Python provides us a data structure to store more information. That type of data structure is called dictionary. Now, instead of writing a list with only marks, we can create a dictionary with name and marks. So our dictionary will look something like this. We write marks equal to within curly brackets, that's called curly brackets. We have put each student's name, colon, and then the marks. So we have marks of J, K, and May. And then we can print this marks to get the complete student name plus the marks. So using a dictionary, you can tell which marks belongs to which student. So let me explain this again. Marks is a dictionary. Inside the dictionary, we have names like May, K, J, etc. These are called the keys, and the actual mark value is called values. So May, J, and K are called keys. 34, 41, 39 is called values. So the syntax for dictionary in Python is as given here. It is dictionary name equal to within curly brackets you put key, value, key, value, key, and value, and so on. So here we can give the name for the dictionary whatever we want, just like variable names. A dictionary is always written inside a curly brackets. This is called curly brackets. First we write the key, then we put colon, and then we write the value. So after each key value pair, we have to put a comma, and just like how we put comma between items in list. Also, the final point, the key should be put in quotes if it is a string. So the key or the value, if it is a string, it has to be put within quotes. So in programming, a dictionary is a collection of keys and values. So it can have one key value pair or many key value pairs. It will be very easy for you to remember that we call it a collection of key and value. So this is a really fun topic and we use it in programming all the time. Compared to any other data structure, we use dictionaries a lot. Okay, so it's a fun topic and we will see more about it in our coming videos. Okay, see you soon.